Show mommy.
John. Hey, Babas. Hi.
Show mommy.
Oh.
Hi.
Well done.
Thank you.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Mama.
Dad.
Duh.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were two for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
Damn. Damn.
Dad.
Woo.
well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day
It's your job, baby. and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. Hey guys, it's beautiful morning. We are in the nature outside, just walking around, and we haven't really been exploring that much outside lately because it's been really hot. So like during the day, most of the time we'll be inside. So like 2 days ago, my husband lost one of the keys to the tractor, and it's really small key. So we've been looking for that key everywhere. So like we've turned the house upside down, and honestly it's been a blessing because I've been able to kind of like deep clean the house while searching for this key. And I noticed, a lot of the places in the house have been really dirty, like even inside the heater, we have a propane heater, so inside of that heater. So we've been really deep cleaning the house a lot, and it's been wonderful and hard at the same time. And we've been remodeling a little bit here and there, and it's a lot of work. Whoa, that's a big rock. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Yeah, that's you. That's you. I love you. Whoa. So yeah, this is what it's like to have a 1.5 year difference between kids. It's not easy, huh, baby? You want to be held all the time. So we were at a stage where he was walking all the time, and I don't know, right now he wants to be carried all the time. So yeah, I still don't carry him all the way though, because it's hard. So he's like 30 pounds, and the baby, I don't know how much he is, but I'm assuming more than 12-13 pounds. So it's a lot. Thank God for the stroller.